Want to get the most out of PhoneLink on your Windows computer? In this complete beginner-friendly guide, I'll show you how to set it up, connect your phone, and use its most useful features so you can stay productive without constantly picking up your device. So let's get started. First, launch PhoneLink on your Windows computer. If you're using it for the first time, sign in with your Microsoft account, then choose whether you're connecting an Android phone or an iPhone. Install or open the link to Windows app on your phone if needed, then scan the QR code displayed on your computer. Follow the prompts on both devices until the connection is complete. To unlock all available features, allow permissions for notifications, contacts, messages, photos, phone calls, and background activity. These permissions let PhoneLink keep your devices synchronized. Once connected, you can read and reply to text messages, make and receive phone calls, view recent photos, access notifications, and on supported Android devices. Even open mobile apps directly from your computer. Yeah, these features can save you a lot of time throughout the day. Open the Settings menu to customize how PhoneLink works. You can choose which notifications appear, manage connected devices, adjust syncing options, and enable or disable supported cross-device features. For the best experience, regularly update PhoneLink through the Microsoft Store, update the link to Windows app on your phone, and install the latest Windows updates. Keeping everything updated helps improve performance and compatibility while giving you access to the newest features. And that's how to master PhoneLink. Once everything is set up, you can manage calls, messages, photos, notifications, and more without leaving your computer. After using it for a while, it quickly becomes part of your daily workflow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more Windows tutorials and practical technology guides, and I'll see you in the next video.